Hello, dear viewers. This video is for the week starting 26th September 2022. Um, let's see what the market has in store for us when all central banks are vying with each other, trying to increase interest rates left, right, and center. Let's see what the market talks about it. How does the market react to this? Nifty on 23rd has given a sell signal when it came down below this level of this level of 17,466 and closed below that. It has closed at 17,327. The problem with this is the fun part with this is this target was very low. Target was something like this. The ultimate target was 17,334 and it has already hit the target. So now question remains whether there is a further downside or not. And if you look at the resistance line there, the resistance line, it is very near the resistance line. The high has been the resistance line, in fact, and the low has been the target line. So if we find another, maybe if this is breached, this line is breached. This is around 17,334. This also has a very big history. So I think if this is breached, then the next stop would be somewhere around 17,149. Uh, I think market should start recovering from 17,149 if things fall in place. Otherwise, the next target is 16,763 and somewhere near 16,088. And if the if bad news still continues, then the final target would be 15,440. But I don't think that is something to worry about. I believe 17,100 and 17,100 seems to be an ideal support for at least the coming week. Similarly, we have Sensex. The support is 58,043, which was already taken. That is, the target was already reached. Now, the next target would be something like 57,356. Bank Nifty also has given a sell signal. That is very interesting. It was not expected to give a sell signal. Now, Bank Nifty has given a sell signal. The Bank Nifty targets are 13,109, 13,110, and 38,055. And this line, wherever, you know, the ultimate probably the reversal will happen only at this line. And this line has you can see here this support, this resistance line will become probably the support line whenever it touches. That is how Bank Nifty looks like. Let's get to the stocks straight away. Asian Paints, there's no trade unless it goes above 3510. There is no buy signal. Britannia, unless it closes above 3831, there is no buy signal, but it is very near to close above that signal. So watch on it, keep a watch on it. Cipla, the stop loss is 1003, so I think you can continue holding. Eicher Motors, continue holding. Revise your stop loss to 3,415. I think the same stop loss is continuing for the last so many days. Um, Nestle has given a sell signal. Target seems to be very far. I think weekly target can be somewhere here 17,894. Ultimate target around 16,564. It's a sell. Grasim, it is very near the stop loss. Stop loss is 1679. HDFC did not break out, and it was expected to break out. It did not break out. If it breaks out only about 2499, then it will go up. Now it has broken down. So target is 2260, 2215, 2100, finally 2045. Hero Motors first target is already achieved, 2690. I think next target is also achieved, that is 2665. I think ultimate target is in the vicinity 2521 is the target. Hindalco has reversed. Hindalco was not expected to reverse. You can see here it was from 29th July onwards. It was in that range, and it has broken that range and come down. I think the target is pretty clear. First target 373, final target 337. Hindustan Unilever, since the markets have started spooking, obviously the FMCG stocks have started moving up, and you find that Unilever has given a buy signal. If you look at the target, I think the target would be something like 2792. ITC has broken out of that island reversal of 2017 and has gone up. You can keep a stop loss. You can revise your stop loss to 336 and continue holding it. L&T has given a sell signal, no stop loss. Targets are 1842, 1807, 1756, 1696, 1664. I think so many targets are sufficient. Let's not go farther. And M&M, revise your stop loss. The same stop loss which was given last video also. 1221 is the stop loss. Reliance, I had already said that 2427 seems to be the target. I think it has already come to 2436 and gone back 3 rupees. I think 2427 seems to be the target for Reliance. Sri Cement stop loss is hit. The trailing stop loss of 22309 is hit. Now I think it is time to sell it off. If you have not yet sold, you must have been carrying it from 20,200. I think it's time to sell it off. The ultimate target would be 18956. You can buy later on. Tata Consumers has given a sell signal. Target is 765. Tata Motors targets are being achieved. I think the final target is going to be 390. So hold your guns until then. Tata Steel has also given a sell signal even after the news of merger of all the companies, all subsidiaries of Tata Steel. I think we have to brace ourselves for 94 rupees on Tata Steel. Wipro has been very bad. Targets are achieved. 397 was the target. It has closed below that target. I think now we'll have to search for a new target. So let's see where we can find Wipro going. I think Wipro is at a multi-year support, something like 2021 also it had reached that. But because of the bad news coming from US and things like that, I think we can still probably Wipro may go to 360 or something like that, and from there let's see what happens to it. Apollo Hospitals has reached the target given long back. I think 2 weeks back this target was given, that is 4577, and now I think it's time to sell it off because you already have a very large red candle here. Don't wait for the stop loss. I think book your profits and get out of it. Dr. Reddy's sell signal is persisting. There was no trade last time. There's no trade now until it comes to, I think the target is 3879. Titan is still going up. Titan, I think it has already touched all the targets. 2698 was the target that is already touched. So if you want, you can book profits or trail your stop loss to this average of 2671, which is very 1 rupee from what it has closed yesterday. Or you still want to take a punt, I think the next stop loss would be 2599. SBI has not yet given a sell signal. SBI will give a sell signal only if it closes below this 540. So hold it, keep trailing stop losses. BPCL, after the news, after the bad news, I think it's keeping on. It's keeping its downward journey going on, and now the downward journey will reach probably 302. Kotak Bank, the stop loss is 1818. UPL has given a sell signal in the last week's video. There was a sell signal already given. This is the target was target was 704, that is done. Ultimate target 645. So wait for 645. Infosys, all targets reached, and target was somewhere here, that is 1410. It has gone below that target. Now I think we'll have to search for, we'll have to go behind and see where, what has happened to Infosys. Looks like similarly as like Wipro, I think there is a chance of a reversal at 1272 or something like that. Let's hope that happens. Bajaj Finance has given a buy signal, and after the buy signal, target was also reached. This was the target 7532 that was reached. So please trail your stop loss and continue holding it. Sun Pharma, trail your stop loss to 892. Yes, I think 892. JSW sell signal is not yet come, so you can trail your stop loss. I think uh, stop loss can be 648 if you have not yet booked your profits. HDFC Bank has given a sell signal on 23rd September. Initial target is already reached. That was 1440 kind of thing, that is already reached. But if it still persists, I think if the downward journey persists, next target seems to be 1371 and then 1332. All IT stocks are doing bad. TCS also had given a sell signal. In fact, sell signal had come on 25th August only. The target was 3023, which was reached, which has been reached this in the last week. Now I think we'll have to again search. Even TCS, we'll have to go a little in the history to find out where we'll find some support. I think 2919 seems to be a good support. ICICI Bank, trail your stop loss to 875, and if it breaches, sell it off. You've made enough money on that. Power Grid gave a very large red candle in one day. It has broken down, and now you can see, I think all targets are reached. In fact, if still bad news continues, I think the final target would be 184. Okay, Maruti. Maruti, continue holding it. Trail your stop loss to 9179. IndusInd Bank, continue holding. Trail your stop loss to 1143. Axis Bank trail your stop loss to 761. HCL Tech, same case with an IT company. HCL Tech, I think we'll have to go a little bit in the history and see where we will find some kind of support. I think one support is possible at 802. Seems to be a very small support though. Some strong support would be possible only at 622. So let's keep our fingers crossed for HCL Tech. ONGC depends on the crude. Crude has been playing sing song for a long time. I think the uh, the support is around 120 or so. NTPC has not cracked the stop loss is 161. Coal India stop loss you will have to keep at 221 and hope that it does not touch it. Bharti Airtel stop loss can be revised to 768, which is very near to what was the closing. I think 768, if it breaches, then the real stop loss happens to be 739, but don't wait for it. I think 738 is a good stop loss. Tech Mahindra, let's again go back into history to find out what is going to happen. Tech Mahindra has a target of 978, and if that gets breached, I think we can go back to um, the 2020 March high before the pandemic, before the lockdown of around 840 or so happens to be a good support for Tech Mahindra. Divi's Lab, no trade, please. Adani Ports, stop loss is 890. HDFC Life, long term, keep it going. If it's falling, I think it's time to buy. Keep buying. 520 is the target. You can buy at 520. SBI Life doing extremely well. Keep your stop loss. Revise your stop loss to 100 and 1230. Ultratech Cements, it's given a sell signal. Target is 5728 and then 5500 and then final target of 5327. Bajaj Auto target is 3600, 3597. So 3600 is the target. Bajaj Finserv is doing very well. All targets reached. Now I think you can revise your stop loss to 1703 and keep holding it. Um, Seems to have been doing. Friends, we come to the end of the video. Kindly like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and ask your friends and relatives to also subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.